talk about how can you find your purchases on your Pocket Option app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on market. When you just click on market, it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on purchases. When you click here on purchases, it's going to take you to this list. So then here you will find all purchases you have in this list. I have here no purchases, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.